I am broke, guys. So broke that every time I look at my bank account, it cries back to me. So broke that I was probably richer 10 years ago in sixth form. I am broker than a flat tire. That's how broke I am, okay? Broke. Okay, your boy's broke. But let me tell you guys exactly how I got to this scenario. And I'm going to ask you a question at the end of this video that might make you look at my broke situation differently. Hi guys, it's your favourite YouTuber again, Dummy Salari, and you're watching DS Learning Finance. Whoa. Well, I've been saving for about a year and 9 months now, since I got my first graduate job in April 2016. I actually made a video about this last year, about what was going on in my life thus far. And what I was ramping on about in the video is actually buying a house that I was planning to buy it partially with my brothers. So I was to chip in 25%, they were to each chip in 25%. So yeah, we were going to acquire this house as a company, as a group. Well, I've officially got the house now. Okay, I'm waiting for your round of applause, guys. Like, come on, like, at least pretend like you care. Gosh, thank you. I like to thank my mums. I like to thank the fam, wherever you are. I like to thank my girl. I like to thank the big man upstairs. And most of all, I like to thank the homies. You know, the homies that I don't know, but you know. I like to thank them. You know, stay real, homies. But in all seriousness though, guys, I'm so happy to have a property registered under my name. With that said, I'm still broke, okay? Yeah, ain't no getting past that. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in the first few seconds of this video, you can tell that my environment's changed, and that's because I've actually moved. And as much as this place looks, yeah, it costs money, okay? Money. I had to pay like roughly 3 to 4 times my rent, including the deposit, the fees and so on, and that basically wiped me out. So paying for that in conjunction with paying for other stuff like my car, other stuff like obviously the mortgage, which took majority of my money, majority of the money that I saved for this year and 9 months now. So I've had to pay for quite a lot of things all in one time frame. So December, yeah, completely wiped me out. Like, we're talking like tsunami, tidal wave. Right now I'm sacrificing so much so that I'm able to better my future. The way I see it is, the harder you have to fight now, the harder you're on your grind now, the more you have to sacrifice, the better, the brighter your future is going to be. And I'm just more so of a long-minded person, long-term minded. So I will much rather work hard now, much rather slave now, and not have to worry about that in the future. And that's how I see it. So as much of my struggle is quite bad right now in terms of I'm broke, yeah, at the same time I also see it, because that really tells me, okay, damn it, that means you're doing something with your money. You're not just leaving it in a bank account, you're actually being productive, you're making it work for you, you're making your money work for you. And yes, it may be really hard right now, but in the future it's going to be much easier because you've done all that groundwork. Nothing comes for free, guys. One thing that I can say though, guys, is that ever since I made the video about this last year, and between then and now, the property's already risen in value. So that means if I was to actually sell it now, I would technically make a profit. So that's just a sort of like set in stone. It sort of reinforces the fact that what I'm doing is right, is the right choice. And it's just motivating me that, yeah, you can't be sort of short-term minded, you really have to be long-term minded, guys. Struggle now so you benefit in the future, but also don't struggle stupidly. Put your money in investments that you know will make you profit. Put your money in investments that you believe, but more importantly, put your money in investments that you've used this for. You've done studying, you've done the research, you've done the knowledge around that investment, and you strongly feel that it will make you money. That's where you should put your money. it just shows that this sort of state, this sort of mind frame is so temporary. Yes, I am broke. Yes, I'm not the richest person. But I tell you what, I am wealthier now. And I'd rather be wealthier than richer, because wealth comes with acquiring assets. Wealth comes with making investments. Wealth comes with owning a business. Being rich is just having money chilling in your bank account. I know which one I'd rather do. I'd rather have assets. I'd rather have investments. I'd rather have a business, because that way it's always bringing me recurring money rather than have money just sitting in my bank account. Now, my question for you guys is, would you rather have your money in a bank account? Would you rather have used that same amount of money to invest like I've done? I hope I've changed your insight on how you may or may not view your money and what to do with it, guys. Keep watching my channel because there's more coming. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share DS Learning Finance. Well, yeah, even though I'm in shirt and tie, I can still get it down. It still looks wild.
Let me sleep, never say sorry.